Hello children, today topic of our video is multiplication of and division of fractional numbers. In my last video of fractions, I had explained you what are fractions, what are the types of fractions, mixed, improper, proper, like, unlike, everything I had explained. With that, I told you about addition and subtraction of fractions. So today I am going to explain you about multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. First of all, multiplication of fractions. So in multiplication, it's very simple and easy topic. Suppose they had give you two fractions, 2 upon 5 is to be multiplied by 7 upon 6. What we will do, we'll always multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 7 2s are 14, 5 6 are 30. Now if these are not in simplest ratio form, so you will do cutting and find out in simplest form. 2 7s are 2 15s. This is one method. Other is, suppose same fractions are given. If possible, you can do cutting between numerator and denominator. Numerator can be of any fraction, denominator can be of any fraction. See, this 2 can be simplified, cut it with this. 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 7 upon 15. This is your answer. Suppose our fractions are given in mixed fraction. Suppose they had given 1 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 5 upon 7. So what we will do? I already told you, whenever they had given you mixed fractions, first we convert it into improper fraction. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8 upon 5 multiplied by 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19 upon 7. Now we will see, is any type of cutting possible between any numerator or denominator? Here no cutting is possible. So what we will do, we will multiply. 19 8s are 152 upon 7 5s are 31. Now you can change it into mixed fraction and that will be your answer. So multiplication is very easy. Whenever you are multiplying any 2, 3, 4, any number of fractional numbers, just see, is any cutting possible between fraction of numerator and denominator. And if no cutting is possible, just multiply all the numerators and then all the denominators. Otherwise, do cutting and then proceed. Let us take one more example. 7 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 14 multiplied by 6 upon 18 multiplied by 4 upon 7. So I'll start cutting. See, 7 1s are 7, 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. So after doing all the cuttings, what I am left in the numerator, see, only 2 I had left in the numerator, and in the denominator I am left with only 7. So my answer is 2 upon 7. Okay. So you had noticed me that whatever cutting I have done between numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator. Every time I am cutting, my cutting is between numerator and denominator. Okay. This is multiplication. Then next topic is division of the fractions. Before we proceed to division, I will tell you what is reciprocal. Suppose I am given with a fraction 7 upon 9 and I want to reciprocate it. Reciprocal I want to find. What I will do, I'll just make numerator a denominator and the denominator will be written as numerator. Denominator को numerator and numerator को denominator, just reverse of both, ulta. This is called reciprocal. Okay. Suppose they had given you a mixed fraction 1 7 upon 3. First change it into improper fraction. It will become 10 upon 3. Now its reciprocal is 3 upon 10. 10 upon 3 can be written as 3 upon 10. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is always an improper fraction, and reciprocal of a improper fraction is always a proper fraction. Keep this thing in your mind. Now I'll tell you division. Division. Suppose they had given you 2 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 3. So whenever we are dividing any fractions, the fraction on the left side will be written same. This divide sign will be changed to multiplication sign, and this right side fraction will be reciprocated. Means we will take reciprocal of this fraction. It will be written as 3 upon 4. Now if any type of cutting is possible, do the cutting. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. Now multiply numerators and multiply denominators. This is your answer. I can take one more example. 7 upon 35 divided by 49 upon 70. Again same thing, 7 upon 35 multiplied by, divide is changed to multiplication sign, and with that I take reciprocal of this, 70 upon 49. Now do the cutting possible. 7 ones are 7 sevens are, 7 tens are 70, 5 twos are 5 sevens are. So I am left with 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7. So 2 upon 7 is my answer. I hope you understand both multiplication and division. Still, if there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching my video.